Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Ruqayya, popularly known as Ruki. I am the Igbo Muslim girl from Enugu State. This is a video of addressing a few comments on my page. Some ignorant ones who don't know that Igbo Muslim exists. So I'm trying to give you some little acknowledgement. You tell me that you are a Christian and you're Igbo, and I tell you I'm a Muslim and I'm Igbo, and you're doubting that. And you're saying that is a lie. So that means even you who is a Christian and Igbo, you don't know who you are. Because the same way Christianity came into the society, that's the same way Islam came into the society. How? In the 19th century, way back, none of us were there. It's just a story that was told to us. They came and we loved their way of life, and we can practice it and we love it and we follow the same way you followed Christianity. And I tell you that I'm a Muslim and Igbo. You're telling me that doesn't exist. It means you're so ignorant to the point that you don't seek knowledge. You don't acknowledge yourself. You don't dive into the things you don't know. A Muslim can be Igbo, a Muslim can be Hausa, a Muslim can be Yoruba. The same way a Christian can be Hausa, a Christian can be Igbo, a Christian can be whatever tribe that you choose, whatever tribe that you are. You can choose the religion that you need to practice. There's nothing wrong there. But all of you are saying it as a crime, calling us terrorists, calling us bandits, like even the ones who are doing the so-called bandits. Few of them don't know anything about God. They don't practice the religion. They are just evil. People that are evil, so evil to the point that they kill. I am a Muslim and I am Igbo. Let that sink in your head. I'm from Enugu State and you can have any problem with it, but I do not care. That stands, and that's how it's going to be. I am a Muslim and Igbo at the same time. I know few of you have problem with it. You just hate us. You call us Hausa. Why? Who told you that I'm Hausa? I'm not from the north. You can't call me Hausa. That's the tag that I've been given to anybody who is a Muslim. Hausa, Hausa, all the time. Every place you go, Hausa, you be Hausa, you be Hausa. I'm Hausa. I'm Hausa. I'm Igbo name Muslim. Only Igbo. Enugu State name Muslim. Soka. I'm asụ Igbo karịa gị. Igbo nwa m na-asụ gị na anụ akụ na-ada. Nke a mara m. I was born and brought up here. My roots was digged here. My great-great-great-great-grandparents, they were Igbos and a Muslim. So, this is just the beginning of how Igbo Muslim are going to be spread in the entire world. And hallelujah. Igbo Muslim to the world. Igbo Muslim to the world. We only bring peace. Udo, Yoma. We're not here to fight. We're not terrorists. We don't kill people. We only want peace, happiness, your protection. And may Almighty Allah guide all of you and show us the right path. MashaAllah.